Okay. This is an e-commerce app. We have a little short style guide. It's gonna be freaking poppins again. Ta-da. Looks kind of light, and I can already tell there's gonna be some contrast issues. Also mirroring this on a device to see how it looks. Not good, not bad. Typography could be a little bit improved. These like text buttons are a bit big. Yeah, like typography is not that great, especially on mobile. It feels more like a webby kind of kit. Some spacing issues. It's good as a starting kit, but probably I would make quite a lot of changes unless this is your branding. The color is like not really working. Usually you go with more neutrals for shopping stuff just because the pictures and everything stands out better. So if we were to do like a little experiment, just, drop this color and go for something more, grayish, you can already see things improve a lot, right? Just because all the merchandise stands out more, but then you lose the branding. So give and take. I guess you can play a little bit, try to do a little bit of branding, but not as much because it looks a bit cheaper, like especially on the phone. Like maybe here you can't really see it, but contrast issues, stuff like that, inconsistencies in style. Yeah, I don't know. This, like, it only has a few screens, not justifying why would you use it, to be honest. You can get like much bigger kits that you can play with.